Good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Welcome back to the channel. Gentle reminder, as always, knock up like button, subscribe, and share free and easy ways to support the channel. Just a quick update. Reggae boy Michail Antonio. Um, for many Reggae Boys fans would have been looking at the team sheet for the Anderlecht European game and realizing that Michail Antonio was one, not in the starting lineup, and two, not in the matchday squad. Seeing and even if Michail Antonio does not start for West Ham, he's always at the very least in the matchday squad. So, I personally, when I saw that, and I'm sure some of you as well, when you guys would have seen that, would have been a bit concerned as to what was taking place with the ball, especially coming off the fact that he scored on the weekend in the weekend game. So I mean, he definitely should be in the match day squad for sure. And just a quick update, you guys see it on your screen there. I think most of the players are fine. So all right, by the way, they call that the subheading. What is the latest team news? I think most of the players are fine. Mickey Antonio has had a wee bit of cold or the flu, which has kept him out of training a day or two. We are a little bit unsure on him, and he goes on to speak about a couple of knocks and niggles that West Ham are suffering, and this is referring to what West Ham coach David Moyes would have said on Michail Antonio and his particular situation. When I looked at that match day squad and I didn't see Michail Antonio, the worst would have come to mind, especially given Michail Antonio's difficult, relationship with injury, so to speak, or with difficult relationship with good health, right? He has not had any, he didn't have any problems last season, not that I remember. And this season so far he has been okay. But previous to last season, Michail Antonio, has had a lot of problems. Before last season, he had never finished, or he had missed seasons before last season. Most of the seasons he had missed a significant number of games with injuries. So he has been better. He has been better in from last season, and he has pointed out to making certain lifestyle changes. But and we have seen that pay dividends. But when we saw him not being on the team sheet of an important European fixture, I personally got a bit worried, a little bit concerned, and I know many of you might have done the same. So basically, Michail Antonio, Reggae Boy Michail Antonio, star striker, star forward. Michail Antonio is okay. Just a little bit of a cold or the flu, as what his gaffer David Moyes is reporting, but not anything. I mean, cold or flu can be serious depending on the severity of it, but cold or flu usually doesn't stick around very long. He definitely doesn't have any short-term or long-term injury, so that is very good news for me personally, and I know many Reggae Boys fans would be happy to hear that it's just a cold or a flu. We wish Reggae Boy Michail Antonio all the best, and he'll pull through, no doubt, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, that's my 2 cents. Just a quick update on Reggae Boy star striker Michail Antonio. Knock up like button, subscribe and share. Take care, stay safe, and until next time.